Subscribers, viewers, channel members, local and overseas. Hope you are always in good health, safe, joyful, and peaceful. Especially to our kababayan in the Philippines, victims of calamities. Hold on lang tayo, kapit at laging nakadikit kay Lord Almighty. He is the only one that will guide, support, and will give us hope for us to be inspired to see the light going to the right path of our life. Um, laging happy lang tayo, be positive. Even in the midst of darkness, maging positive tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang laban. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay habang while we are here on earth, ano? Um, today, today our I will explain to you about the Bayanihan spirit. It is always a routine na after calamities and disasters. It is ang tradisyon na ng mga Pilipino to have that Bayanihan spirit. It is a Filipino cultural tradition that incorporate the spirit of unity, cooperation, support, and effort to help one another, especially during times of need. Yung lalo na ngayon, yung katatapos ng mga disasters like earthquake, flood, at saka yung mga storm, So, it is always a routine. Like tulad ng sinabi ko, it is always a routine sa mga Pinoy na magkaroon ng bayanihan kahit isusubo na lang nila, itutulong pa nila sa kapwa nila, no? So, this is a cultural Filipino concept that incorporate the spirit of unity, cooperation, support, and effort to help one another, especially during times of need, tulad ng sinabi ko. It is seen in different action, like in a community helping a neighbor move by carrying their house, but it also extends to modern day support systems such as financial help for relatives or large scale community relief efforts. Lalo na ngayon, maraming humihingi ng mga tulong, maraming humihingi ng mga ayuda na talaga namang we can see na dapat silang tulungan, di ba? So, ang bayanihan spirit emphasizes a sense of community and solidarity among each one. It is the practice of helping one another, focusing on collective action for a common goal or objectives. The help is often given without expecting anything in return. Ito yung as a Christian faithful believer, when we give something or when we offer help, we don't expect anything in return because si Lord will send instrument for you to help. Hindi yung the same person. Hindi yung tinulungan kita, kailangan tulungan mo ko. So that is not a practice of a faithful Christian believer. Kailangan yung kusang loob na pagtulong mo na hindi ka nag-iisip na kailangan palitan, Yan ang tunay na faithful Christian believer. Pero naintindihan ko naman yung iba na kapag tumulong kailangan palitan mo, it is very understandable kasi baka kailangan talaga nila yung palitan mo yung naitulong nila. So we must understand these people, So, the help is often given without expecting reward, Um, yung bayanihan, yung traditional noon, yung nagsimula yun na kung nakikita niyo yung simbolo na may bahay na nagtutulungan, doon kinuha yung term na bayanihan, yung pagtulong-tulong, yung tulungan, Pero ang modern application nowadays, yung madalas yung yung ang spirit noon, yung financial, kasi kailangan talaga yung financial, at kung ano pa mga basic needs na dapat nating ibigay sa kanila, So, yun ang modern day of bayanihan nowadays. Such an example of that Bayanihan spirit is moving a house. A classic example is physically carry a neighbor's house on their shoulders to a new location. Yun yung traditional noon. Pero siguro sa mga provinces and different mga bayan, sa iba-ibang bayan, ginagawa pa rin yan, ano? Pero yung pinaka-modern na, yun nga tulad ng sinabi ko, yung financial, yung it involves money and material things, ano? During natural disasters or calamities or other crisis that will arise, tulad na nangyari ngayon at maaring mangyari pa to, no? Filipinos, mga Pinoy often band together to provide help and support to affected communities. Hindi lamang doon sa neighboring areas natin, ano, nasasaklawan pa rin ang pagtulong tulad sa malalayong lugar. Katulad ngayon, malaki ang sinakop ng bagyong Uwan, ano, ang laki ng sakop niya, hindi lang sa isang lugar, ano. So, maraming kailangan ng tulong, maraming pagtulong ang dapat gawin ngayon, ano. So, yung noong ang the best example niya nung nangyari yung COVID, ano, yung bayanihan to heal as one act during the COVID-19 pandemic. Yan ang isa sa mga the best na ano, no, na yung pandemic, yung maraming nagtulungan diyan. So yung Manila, no, daming natulungan during that time, ano. So ngayon, itong going back to disasters na nangyari sa Pilipinas ngayon, maraming mga nagbibigay ng tulong, ano, local and overseas, lalo na yung mga local government and national government, nagtutulungan sila ngayon, ano, dahil kailangan. So nakikita natin. So iyan ang isang tradisyon na nakikita natin sa mga Pinoy, no? Nagtutulungan at nagiging masaya. Yung spirit na yun ng pagtutulungan, yun na nagbibigay lakas ng loob, na inspire sila na they are not thinking na they are not alone, ano? Kaya yung bayanihan spirit. So after disaster, nandiyan na kaagad yung mga pagtulong, and that is called bayanihan spirit. Yung less for self and more for others, yan. And we don't expect any return at all. Kasi kung talagang faithful believer Christian tayo, we don't expect. Kung tumulong tayo, iba yung taong tutulong na ipapadala ni Lord sa'yo, no? At saka, kailangan yung kusang loob, ano? So I have some, in my video, meron ako mga example at saka mga messages and insights about bayanihan spirit. So, now is the beginning of the healing process, ano, yung nagsisimula yung healing process through bayanihan, tulungan, ano, ipaalam natin na hindi kayo nag-iisa, na maraming tumutulong. So, yan ang simula ng healing process after ng mga disasters and calamities. So, sana you enjoy watching it, and then read those messages and passages. Okay. So, have a great day. Have a great, safe, and joyful, peaceful day to all of you. Sana lagi kayo nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ano? Stay positive, stay happy always, even in the midst of darkness, kahit maraming challenges tayo. Kalmado lang tayo, maging masaya lang tayo, dahil nasa lupa pa tayo eh. Marami pang darating yan, ano? Marami pang darating sa atin yan na mga calamities na ganyan, ano? So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Maging masaya lang tayo, no? Okay. So, hanggang dito na lamang, and sana, if you like the video and the message, kindly do likes and share it if you want to share it, and then write down positive comments about it. Okay, thank you very much. Bye for now. Stay happy, stay joyful, and stay positive all the time. Bye-bye.